Meteorologist Chris Haddings here with your latest update on the ongoing snow across western Wyoming. Could be moving east of the divide though as we head towards Sunday night and Monday. I'll talk about that in just a couple of minutes. Take a look at our watches, warnings, and advisories. We updated these last evening. Areas in pink, those are the winter storm warnings, includes the Salt and Wyoming range as well as the Tetons. Also the western slopes of the winds. Around that we have those winter weather advisories, includes the Jackson Valley, Star Valley, Yellowstone, the Azorcas, the eastern slopes of the winds, as well as the Evergreen foothills. That includes Pinedale up toward Bondurant. Want details on start and end times? Go to our website right there, weather.gov/RIW. Take a look at the threat matrix, timing this stuff out. This is already done last night. We're having some snow moving back into the western portions of the area. Filming this around 5 o'clock, snowing pretty good at Jackson right now. That'll continue through the day. Maybe a little bit of a let up as we head toward Saturday night. Then the last piece comes in as we head towards Sunday. Snow and blowing snow. Biggest impacts obviously here across the western mountains. And I think the worst impact, especially if you're going over Teton Pass, Togety Pass, probably the two most affected areas, probably be here on Sunday night, especially during the evening hours between about 5 and 11 o'clock. Could be a lot of heavy snow there, also blowing snow. It's not going to be pleasant to travel during that time. As we head toward Monday, looks like at least out west, snow will begin shedding off and tapering off from west to east as we go through the day. A little bit of wind out there today. This is the wind through today. See where the wind's blowing. You have a southwest flow ahead of the system. Rock Springs up here toward Casper. There's 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts there. They'll probably be in places like Outer Drive, also down toward Hat 6 Road. Less wind as you head further north. Don't think we'll see any really high wind gusts, no high wind warnings in effect, but you may want to keep both hands on the steering wheel if you're driving a whole high-profile vehicle in the wind-prone areas. Could get blown around just a little bit. Now, probabilistic stuff as far as the snow is concerned. At least as much snow. This starts this morning at about 5 o'clock. So whatever you have on the ground, if you wake up early, all the way through 5 p.m. Now, least snow, probably going to get at least 4 to 6 more inches across the valleys here. Most obvious places to get the highest amount of Tetons right here. It lines up with probably at least another 2 feet across the highest elevations here. Now it's going to fall over 2 days, not a whole big dump, but still a pretty impressive storm. At least 3 inches around Pinedale, 2 inches around Dubois, I'd say. Now, many places east of the divide probably not getting anything. Now we bump this up to the likely maximum amount we'll get. A little bit of a change here. If things set up right, maybe a foot around the valleys here. Maybe as much as 18 inches when you head up toward Moran Junction, up toward Moose. Look at the colors here. Highest elevations here. Now most of these are above pass level, so you're not going to see that unless you're going mountain climbing this time of year or going skiing. But yeah, some places up here could pick up an additional 3 feet of snow here. Maybe up to 8 inches in Pinedale, maybe 4 inches around Cokeville and Kemmerer. Now as we shift east of the divide, there will be some snow coming down here. Now this is probably going to be Sunday night to the Monday time frame. And the area I'm most concerned about for seeing a decent amount of snow, probably here in Casper, we could have a pre-period of upslope flow. Behind the front, this will be during the day on Monday. Maybe as much as 4 inches in Casper. More as you head toward the mountain. They could pick up 7 or 8 inches of snow here. Things set up right. But many areas east of the divide could pick up an inch or two of snow. A lot of this in here will be banded snow, and it's hard to nail that down 6 hours in advance, let alone 2 days. But potential is there to maybe see a little bit of accumulating snow, which a lot of people in these areas haven't seen in quite a while. In our official forecast, the most likely amount we're going to see over the next couple of days, calling for an additional 6 to 12 inches across the western valleys here, up to 3 feet here across portions of the Tetons, highest elevations the Salt and Wyoming range, up to 2 feet across the Wind Rivers, maybe 1 to 3, 2 to 4 inches around the Kemmerer-Cokeville area. As we move east of the divide, 2 to 5 around Dubois, dropping off rapidly as you head further to the east. Now most of these areas in the lower elevations not anticipating any much. Most area concern once again down here around the Casper area, trace maybe up to 3 inches. A lot of the snow up in here looks like it's going to be a banded snow. Where you get one spot, a band sets up, you get 2 or 3 inches, you go 5, 10 miles away, they get nothing. So hard to nail this down, but just about everybody here will have a chance of some snow showers Sunday night into the Monday time frame. Here's our resources. You want weather, just go to our website, weather.gov/RIW. And you want road conditions? Again, don't call us for the road conditions. Go right to YDOT. You'll get it right from the source here. Wildroad.info if you want to go on the web. You want to call them on the phone, 511 in-state, 1-888 Wild Road out of state. Be safe, everybody, and enjoy your weekend.